In the dynamic realm of National Capital Region, NCR, where luxury living is not merely an aspiration, but a lifestyle, Gurugram's prestigious Dwarka Expressway emerges as a beacon of sophistication and investment potential. Sector 37D transcends mere geographical coordinates. It embodies a vision of elevated living, meticulously curated to cater to the most discerning tastes and desires. Here, nestled amidst with the arterial veins of Dwarka Expressway and Pataudi Road, stands a residential marvel that epitomizes luxury, exclusivity, and refined living. Enter the realm of Deluxe DXP, a testament to architectural grandeur and unparalleled lifestyle experiences. With a sterling track record of delivering exceptional returns, Signature Global brings its wealth of experience and unwavering commitment of excellence to redefine the standards of luxury living in the National Capital Region. Signature Global has partnered with the top firms for this project. ADIS, globally renowned for blending contemporary aesthetics with sustainability. S. Bose Landscape Architects, crafting innovative and sustainable landscape designs for our project. With over 40 avant-garde amenities and features, Deluxe DXP sets a new benchmark for luxury living, promising an unparalleled experience of indulgence and comfort. Stepping into Deluxe DXP, one is greeted by an ambience of grandeur and elegance. The imposing double podium and triple height entrance lobby serves as a prelude to the exquisite offerings within. Spread across 16.65 acres of meticulously landscaped grounds, each tower stands as a testament to architectural excellence. The crowning jewel of Deluxe DXP lies in its meticulously crafted residences, with 1,008 units available in configurations ranging from 3.5 BHK to 4.5 BHK. Each residence is a masterpiece of design and functionality, meticulously curated to blend luxury with practicality. From private lounge areas at the entry of select apartments to exclusive penthouses boasting double-height living spaces, private elevators, and sprawling balcony decks, every detail is thoughtfully considered to offer an unparalleled living experience. Housing a branded primary school within its premises, Deluxe DXP exemplifies a commitment to nurturing not just homes, but entire communities, fostering an environment where families can thrive and flourish. With a sprawling 1 lakh square feet high-end retail space and 2 expansive clubhouses spanning 80,000 square feet, residents are afforded a world of leisure, entertainment, and indulgence right at their doorstep. From lush Miyawaki forest and 7 swimming pools, including 2 heated ones, to yoga decks, sport courts, and meticulously landscaped gardens, residents are invited to indulge their senses and nurture their well-being amidst an oasis of tranquility and serenity. Luxury is not just about extravagance, it's also about security and peace of mind. Deluxe DXP boasts a meticulously crafted 5-tier security system, integrating advanced technological solutions, vigilant surveillance, protocols, and dedicated personnel to ensure the safety and security of the residents and their prized possessions. Strategically situated in close proximity to prestigious educational institutions, renowned healthcare facilities, and entertainment hubs, including Cyber Hub and Golf Course Road, Sector 37D offers the perfect blend of convenience, connectivity, and comfort for its discerning residents. Be a part of this extraordinary journey at Deluxe DXP. 98% of the units are already booked, so there are only a handful units left. So book before it's too late. For more details, contact your relationship manager or visit our site office today.